Can you introduce yourself and your company?
Hi, Dan. Yeah, thanks for your time. Yeah, I'm Charming. I come from A+. We are partner of Polymaker. We focus on the TripF 2.0 printing platform to deliver the manufacturing capacity to the end-user application. Yeah, this is our machine.
I see that it has linear rails for all axes. It doesn't have belts inside. Can you tell me a bit more about it?
If you use the traditional FDM machines for the series productions, the bottleneck is that it cannot deliver the fast result, which means that the print capacity is quite lower. It cannot print quite bigger, so it cannot satisfy the size request from different applications, and the accuracy is another problem. So that's the reason 6 years ago we adopted the linear motor and the gantry structure and the precision stage. Normally they use in a semiconductor application.
Am I right saying that you specifically tested and adopted your machines to run with Polymaker filaments?
Yes, similar to that, we focus on the carbon fiber and the glass fiber reinforced filament. Actually, the Polymaker, they have the three different business units, product lines. The one is Fiberon. They focus on the carbon fiber and the glass fiber reinforcement for functional use and use application. And they also have the pallet beam product lines. They call it the Polycore. They work closely with different the FGF machine vendor. They also has the Panchroma as for the PLA different the colorful applications. So basically they have the three different the product lines focus on different the use driven. We work closely with the Polymaker, focus on the Fiberon series.
I see.
For end-user application.
Thank you for your time.
Yeah, thanks, John.
A+ company may not be as widely known, but their printer really impressed me. The motion system looked precise and well engineered, and the dual extruder setup is a great addition for removing supports cleanly. They also had a drone on display, printed on their machines, and the parts looked solid. Good surface quality, clean geometry. It's the kind of printer that gives you confidence just by seeing how it's built. I still have some questions about speed, software, and long-term reliability, but based on what I saw, they are worth keeping an eye on.